Kubernetes and GKE Part 38. This episode has 2 questions. For each question, take a moment to think through your own answer before I share a strong approach. Question 1. Explain DNS resolution in Kubernetes. Here's a strong way to approach it. DNS resolution in Kubernetes is the process by which pods convert service names into IP addresses so they can communicate with each other without using hard-coded IPs. This is handled mainly by core DNS inside the cluster. Core idea: DNS resolution in Kubernetes equals translating service names into cluster IP or pod IP so services can talk to each other reliably. Why DNS resolution is needed in Kubernetes? Pods are ephemeral. IP changes frequently. Services provide stable names. Applications should not depend on raw IP, so DNS provides stable service discovery, automatic routing, human-readable service names. How DNS resolution works in Kubernetes: step-by-step flow. Pod DNS request, core DNS service lookup, cluster IP, kubeproxy, pod IP, example service name, backend namespace, default DNS name, backend default SVC, cluster local DNS structure in Kubernetes.